Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now we are going to talk about beautiful countries and modern cities. Switzerland, often referred to as the Swiss Confederation, is a picturesque country located in Central Europe. Known for its stunning landscapes, efficient governance, and a rich cultural heritage, Switzerland has captivated the world for centuries. Geographically, Switzerland is landlocked and shares its borders with several European nations, including France to the west, Italy to the south, Germany to the north, and Austria and Liechtenstein to the east. Its central location has historically made it a crossroads for trade and diplomacy. One of Switzerland's most iconic features is its breathtaking alpine scenery. The Swiss Alps cover roughly 60% of the country's total land area, making it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and winter sports enthusiasts. Tourists from around the globe flock to Switzerland to ski, snowboard, hike, and explore its pristine mountains, valleys, and lakes. The Matterhorn, one of the world's most famous peaks, stands proudly in the Swiss Alps, drawing climbers and adventurers seeking to conquer its challenging slopes. Switzerland is renowned for its political stability and neutrality. It has not been involved in any foreign wars since the early 19th century, and its commitment to remaining neutral has made it a hub for international diplomacy. The city of Geneva, home to numerous international organizations including the United Nations, reflects Switzerland's dedication to peace and diplomacy on the global stage. The Swiss political system is characterized by a unique blend of direct democracy and federalism. The country is divided into 26 cantons, each with a high degree of autonomy. Citizens participate actively in the political process through referendums and initiatives, allowing them to directly influence legislation and policy. Switzerland's economy is highly developed and diverse. It is famous for its banking sector, offering financial services to clients worldwide. Additionally, Swiss watches and chocolate are internationally renowned for their quality and craftsmanship. The country is also a hub for pharmaceuticals, machinery, and technology companies. The Swiss are known for their multilingualism, with 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. The cultural diversity is reflected in Switzerland's cuisine, with regional specialties like fondue and raclette in the French-speaking regions and rosti in the German-speaking areas. Switzerland's commitment to education and research is evident through its world-class universities and research institutions. It has produced numerous Nobel laureates and continues to be a global leader in innovation and scientific advancements. In summary, Switzerland is a land of stunning natural beauty, political stability, economic prosperity, and cultural diversity. Its commitment to neutrality and diplomacy, along with its dedication to preserving its breathtaking environment, makes it a unique and remarkable nation in the heart of Europe. New Zealand, a picturesque island nation located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, is known for its stunning landscapes, unique wildlife, and vibrant Maori culture. Comprising two main landmasses, the North Island and the South Island, along with numerous smaller islands, New Zealand is a country of unparalleled natural beauty. The country's diverse geography includes snow-capped mountains, pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and volcanic plateaus. One of its most iconic natural wonders is the Southern Alps, which stretch across the South Island and are home to the country's highest peak, Mount Cook. These mountains offer excellent opportunities for hiking, skiing, and other outdoor activities. New Zealand is renowned for its commitment to environmental conservation. Its government has implemented strict regulations to protect its unique ecosystems, which include many endemic species of flora and fauna. The country is famous for the kiwi bird, a flightless and nocturnal bird that has become a national symbol. The Maori people, the indigenous Polynesian inhabitants of New Zealand, have a rich cultural heritage that is deeply integrated into the nation's identity. Visitors can explore their traditions through art, music, dance, and the Maori language, te reo. The Maori also have a strong connection to the land, and their ancestral stories are interwoven with the geography of the country. New Zealand's cities offer a mix of modern amenities and natural beauty. Auckland, the largest city, is known as the City of Sails due to its abundant harbors and water activities. Wellington, the capital, is famous for its vibrant art scene and government institutions. Christchurch, on the South Island, is a hub for outdoor enthusiasts. The country's cuisine reflects its diverse culture and access to fresh ingredients. Seafood, lamb, and dairy products are staples in New Zealand dishes. Visitors can also indulge in Maori-inspired cuisine, which often features ingredients unique to the region. Adventure seekers flock to New Zealand for its thrilling outdoor activities. The country is renowned for its bungee jumping, skydiving, whitewater rafting, and hiking trails, including the famous Milford Track and Tongariro Alpine Crossing. New Zealand's commitment to sustainability extends to its wine industry. The country is known for producing world-class wines, especially Sauvignon Blanc and Pinot Noir, from its fertile vineyards. In recent years, New Zealand has gained attention for its effective response to global challenges. Its handling of the COVID-19 pandemic garnered international praise, as the nation implemented strict border controls and lockdown measures to protect its citizens. In conclusion, New Zealand is a land of natural beauty, cultural richness, and environmental stewardship. Whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or a culture enthusiast, this island nation offers an array of experiences that will leave a lasting impression. It's a destination that appeals to the soul and leaves travelers in awe of its breathtaking landscapes and warm hospitality. Norway, officially known as the Kingdom of Norway, is a stunning Scandinavian country located in Northern Europe. With a rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and a high standard of living, Norway is a country that captivates both residents and visitors alike. Geographically, Norway is renowned for its dramatic fjords, which are deep, narrow inlets carved by glaciers over millions of years. The most famous of these is the UNESCO-listed Geirangerfjord, with its cascading waterfalls and sheer cliffs. Norway's landscape also boasts expansive forests, pristine lakes, and a rugged coastline along the North Atlantic Ocean. Norway is known for its strong economy, which is primarily driven by natural resources such as oil, natural gas, and hydropower. The country has managed its wealth effectively through its government pension fund Global, commonly referred to as the Norwegian Oil Fund. This fund ensures that a significant portion of oil revenues is saved for future generations. Culturally, Norway has a rich heritage rooted in Viking history. The Vikings, known for their seafaring and exploratory prowess, left a lasting impact on the region. Norway's cultural heritage is celebrated through its museums, festivals, and historical sites, including the Viking Ship Museum in Oslo. Norwegian society places a strong emphasis on equality, and the country consistently ranks high in Global Human Development Index (HDI) assessments. The Norwegian welfare state provides free education, healthcare, and an extensive social safety net, contributing to a high quality of life for its citizens. One of Norway's most famous cultural exports is the playwright Henrik Ibsen, whose works like A Doll's House and Peer Gynt have left an indelible mark on literature. Additionally, the country is known for its contributions to the field of peace and diplomacy, with the Nobel Peace Prize being awarded annually in Oslo. Norway's cuisine often reflects its natural surroundings, featuring an abundance of seafood such as salmon, cod, and herring. Lutefisk, a traditional dish of dried fish, is a notable example. Scandinavian flavors like dill, gravlax, and lingonberries are also prevalent in Norwegian cuisine. The capital city, Oslo, is a vibrant cultural hub and home to numerous museums, galleries, and historic sites. The city's modern architecture, including the striking Oslo Opera House, blends seamlessly with its historic landmarks like the Akershus Fortress. In terms of recreation, Norwegians enjoy a variety of outdoor activities such as skiing, hiking, and ice skating. The country's natural beauty provides the perfect backdrop for these pursuits, making Norway a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. In conclusion, Norway is a nation of striking natural beauty, cultural richness, and a commitment to social welfare. Its unique combination of historical heritage and modern prosperity makes it a remarkable country that continues to draw admiration from around the world. Canada is a vast and diverse country located in North America, known for its stunning natural landscapes, multicultural society, and strong economy. With a landmass of approximately 9.98 million square kilometers, it is the second largest country in the world, making it a land of immense geographical variety. One of Canada's defining features is its breathtaking natural beauty. The country boasts an array of natural wonders, including the Rocky Mountains in the west, the vast boreal forests in the north, and thousands of pristine lakes and rivers. Among these natural wonders is Lake Louise, famous for its turquoise waters, and Banff National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that draws visitors from around the globe. Canada's climate varies greatly from region to region. The northern territories experience Arctic climates, while the southern regions have a more temperate climate with 4 distinct seasons. The country's winters are well known for their cold temperatures and heavy snowfall, making it a paradise for winter sports enthusiasts. Canada is renowned for its welcoming and diverse population. It is a multicultural mosaic, with immigrants from all corners of the world contributing to its cultural richness. English and French are the official languages, reflecting the country's colonial history, but there are over 200 languages reported as a mother tongue, making it one of the most linguistically diverse nations. The country's political system is a federal parliamentary democracy and a constitutional monarchy, with the British monarch as the ceremonial head of state. Canada's political landscape is characterized by its commitment to democracy, human rights, and social welfare. It has a strong tradition of public healthcare and a comprehensive social safety net. Economically, Canada is known for its abundance of natural resources, including oil, minerals, and timber. It is one of the world's top exporters of energy products, particularly oil from the oil sands in Alberta. The country also has a highly developed manufacturing sector, with automobile manufacturing being a significant contributor to the economy. In recent years, Canada has been a leader in environmental conservation and sustainability efforts. It has committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and protecting its natural ecosystems. The country is also known for its efforts to promote gender equality and inclusivity. Tourism plays a significant role in Canada's economy, with millions of visitors coming to explore its natural wonders, vibrant cities, and cultural attractions each year. Popular tourist destinations include the vibrant city of Toronto, the historic Old Quebec City, and the stunning Niagara Falls. In conclusion, Canada is a country of immense beauty, cultural diversity, and economic strength. Its commitment to democracy, environmental sustainability, and social welfare make it a unique and attractive place to live and visit. Whether you're captivated by its natural wonders or its rich cultural tapestry, Canada has something to offer everyone. Iceland, a captivating Nordic island nation located in the North Atlantic Ocean, is known for its stunning natural beauty, unique culture, and rich history. With a population of around 356,991 as of my last knowledge update in 2023, it stands as one of the least densely populated countries in the world. One of Iceland's most defining features is its dramatic and diverse landscapes. Volcanoes, geysers, glaciers, and hot springs dot the country, creating a surreal environment that has earned it the nickname Land of Fire and Ice. The mighty Vatnajökull Glacier is Europe's largest ice cap, while the country's numerous volcanoes, including Eyjafjallajökull and Hekla, have made headlines with their eruptions in recent years. The capital city, Reykjavik, is a vibrant hub of culture and innovation. It's home to a thriving art scene, excellent cuisine, and a unique nightlife. The iconic Hallgrímskirkja church, with its distinct architecture, stands tall in the city center, offering panoramic views of Reykjavik. Icelandic culture is deeply rooted in Norse heritage, and the Icelandic sagas, epic historical narratives, are a testament to this rich literary tradition. The Icelandic language, known for its archaic qualities, has been remarkably well preserved over the centuries. The geothermal energy harnessed from the island's volcanic activity powers most of Iceland's homes and businesses, making it a leader in renewable energy. The Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa, is a popular attraction where visitors can relax in warm, mineral-rich waters. The economy of Iceland relies heavily on fisheries and tourism. The country's pristine natural beauty attracts travelers from around the world, who come to explore its national parks, go whale watching, or embark on adventurous hikes. Iceland is also known for its commitment to gender equality and sustainability. It consistently ranks high in global gender equality indexes, and its government has set ambitious goals for reducing carbon emissions and mitigating climate change. In terms of politics, Iceland is a parliamentary republic with a multi-party system. Its president serves as the head of state, while the prime minister leads the government. Iceland's strong democracy is reflected in its high levels of political transparency and social welfare programs. In recent years, Iceland has gained attention for its progressive approach to social issues, including LGBTQ+ rights. The country is a pioneer in recognizing and protecting the rights of the LGBTQ+ community. Iceland's uniqueness, from its geological wonders to its cultural treasures, makes it a destination like no other. Whether you seek outdoor adventures or cultural exploration, this island nation has something truly special to offer. Australia, often referred to as the land down under, is a vast and diverse country located in the southern hemisphere. It is the world's sixth largest country by total area, covering approximately 7.7 million square kilometers. Despite its enormous size, Australia's population is relatively small, with around 26 million people as of my last knowledge update in September 2021. One of Australia's most iconic features is its stunning natural landscapes. The country is renowned for its unique wildlife, including kangaroos, koalas, and the platypus. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the northeast coast, is the world's largest coral reef system and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting divers and nature enthusiasts from around the globe. Australia's climate varies greatly across its regions. The northern areas experience a tropical climate with wet and dry seasons, while the southern regions have temperate climates with distinct seasons. The vast desert known as the Outback dominates much of the interior, with arid landscapes and unique rock formations like Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock. Australia has a rich indigenous history dating back over 65,000 years. The Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples are the country's original inhabitants and have a deep connection to the land. Their cultural heritage is an integral part of Australia's identity, with traditional art, music, and storytelling continuing to play a significant role in the nation's culture. The country's modern history began with British colonization in the late 18th century. In 1788, the first fleet arrived in Sydney, marking the start of European settlement. Australia was initially used as a British penal colony, and many of its cities, such as Sydney and Melbourne, have their roots in these early settlements. Australia became a federation in 1901, with the states and territories uniting to form the Commonwealth of Australia. It operates under a parliamentary democracy and constitutional monarchy, with the British monarch as the head of state represented by a Governor-General. Economically, Australia is known for its abundance of natural resources, including coal, iron ore, and gold. It has a highly developed and diverse economy, with industries ranging from agriculture and mining to advanced manufacturing and services. The country is also famous for its quality of life, with a strong education system, universal healthcare, and a high standard of living. Australia's multicultural society is a result of decades of immigration, which has contributed to a rich tapestry of cultures, cuisines, and traditions. English is the official language, but many other languages are spoken due to the country's diverse population. In recent years, Australia has faced challenges related to climate change, including severe bushfires and droughts. The country has also been working on reconciliation efforts with its indigenous peoples, addressing issues of social justice and land rights. In conclusion, Australia is a vast and diverse country known for its natural beauty, unique wildlife, rich indigenous history, and modern multicultural society. Its history, geography, and culture make it a unique and fascinating nation in the world. Costa Rica, located in Central America, is a small yet remarkable country known for its stunning natural beauty, biodiversity, and commitment to environmental conservation. With a population of around 5 million people, it covers an area of approximately 51,000 square kilometers. Here, I will delve into various aspects of Costa Rica, including its geography, culture, economy, and environmental initiatives. Geographically, Costa Rica is bordered by Nicaragua to the north and Panama to the south. To the east, it is flanked by the Caribbean Sea, while the Pacific Ocean lies to the west. The country's diverse topography ranges from lush rainforests to active volcanoes and pristine beaches. Costa Rica's varied landscapes make it a popular destination for ecotourism and outdoor enthusiasts. Costa Rica is renowned for its progressive environmental policies. It boasts an impressive array of national parks and protected areas, covering over 25% of its territory. The country is a global leader in conservation efforts and is home to a staggering 5% of the world's biodiversity. It's famous for its rich flora and fauna, including the resplendent quetzal, jaguars, and various species of monkeys and sea turtles. The culture of Costa Rica is heavily influenced by Spanish colonial heritage, with a mix of indigenous and Afro-Caribbean elements. The official language is Spanish, and Catholicism is the dominant religion. The Ticos, as the locals are affectionately called, are known for their warmth, friendliness, and a strong sense of national pride. Traditional music and dance, such as the salsa and merengue, are an integral part of their cultural identity. Costa Rica's economy has evolved from being primarily agrarian to becoming a thriving hub for tourism, technology, and agriculture. Coffee and banana exports have been historically significant, but the country has diversified its economy in recent years. The technology sector, in particular, has experienced rapid growth, earning Costa Rica the nickname Silicon Valley of Central America. Tourism is a major contributor to the economy, with visitors flocking to experience the country's natural wonders. Education and healthcare are highly valued in Costa Rica. The country boasts a literacy rate close to 97%, and its healthcare system is considered one of the best in Latin America. Universal healthcare is provided to all citizens and residents, contributing to the nation's high life expectancy and overall quality of life. In conclusion, Costa Rica is a captivating blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and environmental consciousness. Its commitment to conservation and sustainable development sets an inspiring example for the world. Whether you seek adventure in its lush rainforests, relaxation on its pristine beaches, or immersion in its vibrant culture, Costa Rica offers a truly unforgettable experience. Chile, officially known as the Republic of Chile, is a captivating South American country that stretches along the western edge of the continent. With a rich history, stunning landscapes, and a diverse culture, Chile has become a popular destination for travelers from around the world. Geographically, Chile is a land of extremes. It boasts a vast variety of landscapes, from the arid Atacama Desert in the north to the lush greenery of Patagonia in the south. The country is renowned for its dramatic natural features, including the Andes Mountains that run along its eastern border and the Pacific Ocean to the west. In fact, Chile's geography is so unique that it spans over 4,300 kilometers, 2,670 miles, from north to south but averages only 177 kilometers, 110 miles, in width. Chilean history is marked by indigenous cultures, Spanish colonization, and a long struggle for independence. The Mapuche people, among others, have a significant cultural presence in Chile. Spanish explorers, led by Diego de Almagro and later Pedro de Valdivia, arrived in the 16th century and began the colonization of the region. Chile gained independence from Spain in 1818 under the leadership of figures like Bernardo O'Higgins and José de San Martín. Santiago, the capital and largest city of Chile, is a bustling metropolis where you'll find a mix of modern skyscrapers and historic architecture. The city is home to numerous cultural institutions, including museums, theaters, and art galleries. The Plaza de Armas, the city's central square, is a hub of activity and a great place to start exploring Santiago. Chile is famous for its wine production, with the Central Valley region being particularly renowned for its vineyards. Chilean wines, such as Cabernet Sauvignon and Carmenere, have gained international acclaim and are exported worldwide. The country is also known for its commitment to environmental conservation. Chilean Patagonia, in the southern part of the country, is a haven for nature lovers, offering pristine wilderness, glaciers, fjords, and diverse wildlife. Torres del Paine National Park is a highlight for trekking and exploration. In recent years, Chile has gained recognition for its stable economy and political stability. The country is a member of numerous international organizations and trade agreements, contributing to its growing global influence. Chilean cuisine reflects its diverse geography, with seafood, beef, and fresh produce playing central roles. Traditional dishes like empanadas and pastel de choclo are popular among locals and visitors alike. In conclusion, Chile is a nation of incredible diversity, from its geography to its culture and history. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Santiago, marveling at the natural wonders of Patagonia, or savoring a glass of Chilean wine, this country has something to offer every traveler. Its unique blend of tradition and progress makes it a captivating destination in South America. Japan, an island nation located in East Asia, is a captivating blend of rich history, modern innovation, and cultural treasures. With a land area of approximately 377,975 square kilometers, it is comprised of 4 major islands: Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku, along with numerous smaller islands. Japan boasts a population of over 126 million people, making it one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Its capital city, Tokyo, is a bustling metropolis and a global economic powerhouse, known for its iconic skyline and vibrant culture. The history of Japan is steeped in tradition and spans thousands of years. The country's first recorded history began in the 5th century AD, and it has witnessed the rise and fall of various emperors, shoguns, and dynasties. Japan's feudal era, characterized by samurai warriors and the strict code of Bushido, played a pivotal role in shaping its culture. One of Japan's most enduring symbols is Mount Fuji, an iconic volcano that stands at 3,776 meters and is often depicted in traditional art and literature. It holds a special place in Japanese culture and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Japanese are known for their reverence for nature, which is reflected in Shintoism, the indigenous religion that emphasizes the sacredness of natural elements. Shinto shrines, such as the famous Meiji Shrine in Tokyo, are scattered throughout the country, offering a serene escape from the urban hustle and bustle. Japan is also renowned for its culinary delights. Sushi, sashimi, tempura, and ramen are just a few examples of its delectable dishes. The country's strict attention to detail and culinary craftsmanship has elevated its cuisine to an art form enjoyed worldwide. Traditional Japanese arts, such as tea ceremonies, ikebana, flower arranging, and origami, paper folding, continue to thrive alongside contemporary pop culture phenomena like anime and J-pop music. The juxtaposition of ancient traditions and modern trends is a testament to Japan's ability to embrace both the old and the new. The country's commitment to technological advancement is evident in its global contributions to electronics, robotics, and automotive industries. Companies like Toyota, Sony, and Panasonic are household names, and Japan remains at the forefront of innovation. Japan is also known for its punctuality, efficiency, and dedication to hard work. These values have made it an economic powerhouse, and its bullet trains, or Shinkansen, are a prime example of its efficient transportation system. In terms of natural beauty, Japan offers a diverse landscape, from cherry blossoms in spring to snow-capped mountains in winter. Its hot springs, or onsen, are popular for relaxation, and the country's national parks provide stunning vistas for outdoor enthusiasts. In conclusion, Japan is a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions coexist harmoniously with modern progress. Its history, culture, cuisine, and technological innovations continue to fascinate and inspire people worldwide, making it a truly remarkable nation. Thailand, officially known as the Kingdom of Thailand, is a captivating Southeast Asian country known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities. With a history dating back thousands of years, Thailand offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers in a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Geographically, Thailand is situated in the heart of Southeast Asia, sharing borders with Myanmar to the west, Laos to the north and northeast, Cambodia to the southeast, and Malaysia to the south. To the southwest, it boasts a beautiful coastline along the Andaman Sea and the Gulf of Thailand, which is famous for its pristine beaches and clear waters. One of Thailand's most iconic features is its cuisine. Thai food is renowned worldwide for its bold flavors and use of aromatic herbs and spices. Dishes like pad thai, tom yum soup, and green curry have become international favorites. Thai street food is also an integral part of the culinary culture, offering an array of delicious and affordable options to try. Thailand's capital city, Bangkok, is a bustling metropolis that never sleeps. It's a city of contrasts, with modern skyscrapers standing side by side with ornate temples like Wat Pho and the Grand Palace. Bangkok is also famous for its vibrant street life, night markets, and a world-renowned nightlife scene. Beyond the capital, Thailand boasts a diverse array of attractions. In the north, Chiang Mai offers a more relaxed atmosphere and is known for its ancient temples and lush mountains. The southern islands, including Phuket, Koh Samui, and Krabi, are known for their stunning beaches and water activities like snorkeling and diving. In the northeast, Isan region, you'll find a more rural and traditional way of life. Thailand is a country steeped in Buddhist traditions, with thousands of temples scattered throughout the land. The country's national religion, Theravada Buddhism, plays a significant role in daily life, and visitors are often welcome to participate in rituals and ceremonies. Thailand's climate varies from tropical in the south to more temperate in the north. The best time to visit depends on your preferred weather conditions, but generally, the cool, dry season from November to February is considered ideal for tourism. In recent years, Thailand has made significant progress in various sectors, including tourism, manufacturing, and technology. The country's warm hospitality and affordability continue to attract millions of visitors annually, making it one of the world's top tourist destinations. In conclusion, Thailand is a captivating country that offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity, natural beauty, and cultural richness. Whether you're exploring ancient temples, relaxing on pristine beaches, or savoring its delectable cuisine, Thailand is a destination that has something to offer every traveler.